Whether you attended HMI in Germany or kept up with the latest from home, you got a glimpse of next generation use cases in engineering, on the factory floor, with the front line, and so much more. Welcome back to AI on the Go for Microsoft Partners. I'm your host, Cyril Belikoff, and on this episode, we'll take a look at the latest innovation in industrial AI. So grab your morning coffee and join us as we chat to Microsoft experts and explore the ways AI is empowering industrial transformation. Microsoft and our partners are driving numerous AI-driven solutions and concepts within manufacturing, as you may have seen at Hannover Messe. Today, we're going to focus on engineering innovation and bringing AI to the factory floor. I'd like to welcome Diane Rodriguez, CVP of Manufacturing and Mobility at Microsoft. Diane leads a talented team to integrate advanced technologies like AI, IoT, and digital twins, ensuring that Microsoft solutions meet evolving customer needs. Diane, thanks for joining me.
Thanks for having me, Cyril.
Manufacturing is an industry undergoing a lot of advancements and changes right now. What are the key opportunities you're seeing?
I think we have a great opportunity right now to use our generative design and agentic AI solutions to help customers address several key challenges in the manufacturing sector. That includes things like skill gaps from worker shortages, an aging workforce, and fragmented data from engineering that makes AI and automation difficult.
Impressive. How are manufacturers today leveraging digital solutions to enhance design and engineering processes?
That's a great question. Manufacturers are using cutting-edge engineering innovations like voice-enabled copilots for product lifecycle management, AI-enabled design, and industrial metaverse simulations. These advancements help them cut costs while improving the quality and sustainability of their products. For instance, one of our manufacturing customers, Harting, faced a manual and time-consuming process for designing custom connectors for industrial applications. They created a Copilot interface and leveraged Azure OpenAI services to interpret those requirements in real time and automatically design 2D and 3D files to meet the new specs, based on the current database of designs.
Great. And what role do Microsoft partners play in these solutions, do you think?
Their role is critical. Partners can integrate Azure OpenAI into the solutions focused on the engineering department, like CAD, product lifecycle management, application lifecycle management, and simulation. Additionally, partners can then implement these systems and connect them directly into the manufacturing systems, so the innovation and efficiency in engineering can translate to getting more product to market faster.
The factory floor is the backbone of manufacturing, where production, quality control, and data generation converge. What is Microsoft and our partners doing to bring AI to the factory floor?
That's a great question again. Imagine a factory floor buzzing with hundreds of machines generating streams of data that could reshape production. How do we decode that data for more informed decisions? Microsoft Fabrics helps customers harness the full power of data, not in hours or days, but in seconds. Schaeffler, a leading manufacturer of precision components, deploy a Copilot agent, set up data pipelines, and maximize the potential of Azure AI in collaboration with one of our partners. Before, engineering spent hours figuring out downtime reasons. Now they just ask, what caused the downtime on line 3 yesterday, and get an instant answer delivered to them.
Yeah, thank you. That's great. This shift to AI-driven insights is a game changer for the industry.
Absolutely, and partners help our customers by scaling these deployments using industry standards to unify, contextualize, and democratize access to intelligence across systems in near real time.
Lastly, I want to talk about the digital thread. Why is it essential for modern manufacturing?
The digital thread helps manufacturers make better decisions through the power of digital integration across the enterprise. It's essentially the digital anatomy of an organization. It creates a visibility throughout the org and empowers employees to innovate faster, engineer more intelligently, and do business more efficiently. Microsoft and our partners are committed to empowering every manufacturer to achieve more with AI and digital thread, and I can't wait to get started.
That's great. Thanks, Diane, for your time and for just sharing your thoughts on an AI-driven future for manufacturing.
Thank you, Cyril.
Embracing AI is no longer optional. It's key to staying relevant, reducing churn, and keeping up in this fast-moving landscape. I hope this video has inspired you to embrace the latest innovations as you connect with customers and explore how AI can drive real transformation. A huge thank you to our Microsoft experts for sharing their insights, and to you, our audience, for joining us on this episode of AI on the Go for Microsoft Partners. Keep innovating and stay curious. See you next time.